Whatever you do, do not try this at home. Only professors, and it's called electrician. So it could be dangerous, so I have to unscrew all these back and unscrew it. That's the screw the marking. Extra change he needs. I do have more in this so you can see me too. Good. There. Careful though. I have a screwdriver, so perfect. Let's spread that a little bit. Perfect. That one's done. We have 2 more left. 2 left. Actually, 1 left actually after this one. Don't forget the bottom. Get the top one. Almost done. So far, so good. There, now we take this one out. I got the screwdriver, but it's okay. Oops. There, got it. That one complete. Don't forget to subscribe too.